Okay, question 15 is a surd question. You're asked to arrange 6 root 24, 6 times the square root of 24, into n root 6. The first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to look at the square root of 24. And what I want to do is I want to simplify this surd. And what that means is I'm going to think of a square number that goes into 24. Well, I know 4 times 6 is 24, and 4 is a square number. I can separate this out into root 4 times root 6. And the reason I think of a square number that divides into 24 is because when I square root a square number, I get a whole number, 2. The square root of 4 is 2. So the square root of 24 is 2 root 6. But you're asked, what is 6 times the square root of 24? Well, that will be just 6 lots of 2 root 6, which is 12 root 6. You were asked to put it in the format n root 6. And if you compare these two, you can see that n equals 12. Okay, next question. Question B. Rationalise the denominator. What that means is, what rationalise the denominator means, is get rid of any square roots that's in the bottom of the fraction, in the denominator. And the way of doing that is timesing top and bottom by the square root of 5. Now, I'm not changing the number because root 5 divided by root 5 is just 1. So I'm just timesing by 1, so it doesn't change the fraction. So on the top, I've got 7 lots of root 5. And on the bottom, I've got root 5 times by root 5. So I've got root 5 squared. Now, what does root 5 squared mean? Well, square rooting and squaring are inverse functions. So you just get back to the beginning. So your answer is this. Let's just check. You were asked to rationalise the denominator, which means get rid of square roots in the denominator. I've got no square roots now in the bottom of my fraction. Okay, question 16 is very similar. So let's just do that now. So rationalise the denominator means times top and bottom by the square root of 11. So I've got 22 root 11 on the top. Root 11 times root 11 just gives me 11. Now I can simplify. It says to simplify your answer. 22 divided by 11 is 2. So I have 2 root 11. And that's my final answer.